Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we are uploading our first video for 2026. It's a Google Pixel 8 Pro that needs a new display, and it's gonna be a quick one for David. Let's go. So here we have a Google Pixel 8 Pro with a cracked display and Google Pixels. When disassembled, go through the front display. So it's gonna be a quick one. We have to remove the display first. This one is not really showing us anything, or maybe the battery is already drained. But for this one, it's gonna be a quick fix. We have to remove it and then detach one connector underneath the display, and it's gonna be a very difficult removal process because it may not have been opened before. It's gonna be the first time that this smartphone will be serviced. We have a loose front display, a front camera. That's not gonna be our worry. We're gonna detach this clip for the display connector and we'll lift it up from the back. It's not gonna be shown here, but it's underneath the display, and there you go. The broken display will have the fingerprint scanner installed. We will take note of transferring that to this brand new display. Still have all the adhesives. We have the connector, and at this stage we can test if the smartphone will power on and accept a new display. Sometimes there's going to be an issue with the replacement display. There's going to be dead pixels that we don't know yet, so it's good to test it while it's half disassembled. The charging port is kind of messed up. It's got some dirt inside, so we need to free it up so we can fully attach the charger. There you go. So the smartphone is now fully operational, touchscreen, and the brightness are all good. So we'll shut this phone down, detach the replacement display, because we will transfer the fingerprint scanner from the old display to the new one. So right here we have powered this on just to make sure. And the fingerprint scanner is attached to the back of the display. It's going to be a very thin component with the fingerprint data of the user. Without this, you can't unlock the device using your fingerprint, although it will still power on, just like what we've seen here. It's going to be a delicate component, so don't break this if you're going to DIY this fix, although it's going to be a tempting one because it's really easy. It's straightforward. Remove the display, pop in a new one, but there are some nuance to the repair that only pro technicians like David can understand. And he's been doing this for quite some time now, so it's very natural for him to remove stuff that are quite complicated to remove. So we'll clean up this this fingerprint scanner and remove the new display and install it. We'll use some forceps. Then we'll open up this connector. So the replacement display doesn't come with the fingerprint scanner, so we'll have to reuse the old one because we already have the fingerprint data of the user in this module. So we'll clip that in and make sure it's aligned in the fingerprint scanner hole on the back of the display. So we'll take our time. It's gonna be crucial be precise in this step. And we'll prep the housing and the frame. Sometimes there are dents on the frame itself. You can see here there's some burrs where you drop the smartphone and then it bends the housing slightly. We need to address that so that you can properly install the display without anything in the way. This is the frame for the front display, front camera, and we'll use our liquid adhesive to hold on to the new display. It's not going to be waterproof, so if you're expecting that you will put the Pixel 8 Pro into factory settings or factory quality, it's not going to be it. We'll just use our liquid adhesive. We'll be upfront about that, and it's going to be easy for the next repair technician to remove because it's a mild adhesive. We'll clip in the display connector and close up the device. So if you're interested in a Google Pixel 8 Pro screen replacement and you're in Sydney, you can visit us, or if you're outside of Sydney, you can mail in your broken smartphone to us so we can fix it here. And this is gonna be it. This is gonna be a fixed Google Pixel 8 Pro, and if you're interested in this service, just leave a comment down below or follow us on Instagram and Facebook. This is done. Thanks for joining, guys. Happy New Year. And we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.